Hey man, have you noticed the trend going on in St. Louis lately?
What trend are you referring to?
Well, if you drive down Page and go northbound on Belt Avenue, you will see that there are some brand new houses coming up. Go to the JVL and of course some parts of the Ville area.
Oh really? So I guess they are being very sneaky with how they do things. It's being done from the inside out. I like to get my duck fried rice off of Semple and Martin Luther King. They are being rather covert with this shit because I don't notice it from the main streets, but you know something, I have been told about this before.
Well, of course that is the purpose of it all. I tell you this, one day we will be saying, I want to go to Beaumont High School where it is safe.
That is messed up.
North County will be messed up. The county brown pricks who pull you over for sneezing at the intersection will have a lot of work on their hands if this keeps up. Mark my words. Chunk.